Have you ever had one of those oops moments? Well, I just did. I actually had gotten partway through this Caydo Automatic I-Cord Machine unpacking video and realized that I had not hit the record button. So we're going to try this again. So I am so excited to unpack this. I have wanted one of these for a while. And if you don't know the story, I had gone through my purse and I have, a bag where I keep gift cards. And as a pastor's wife, a lot of times we get gift cards and we just kind of store them away. And my husband and I realized that we had enough money in gift cards if we put it on our Amazon balance for him to get a measuring tool that he's wanted, and for me to get the new Caydo machine. It arrived yesterday, late yesterday afternoon, and I was so excited. I tore open the Amazon box and I looked at it and went, I can't touch it because I got to do a video. I promised everybody a video, but we were heading out not too long afterwards to a New Year's Eve party. So I'm like, okay, I've got to do it on New Year's Day. And then this morning, I have regular things that I do for you guys in the community and regular work I had to do. And I had promised the purse pattern for today. So I had all these things I had to do. So it is now almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm finally getting to unbox this. So it did come in a plastic wrap, which I have removed already the first time through. But let's go here, make sure you guys can see. All right, so we're going to do this again. I did manage to be able to package this all back up again. So first of all, craft anything you dream of. Love that. Instruction book right on the top. That is perfect. How many times do you have to dig through the box to find the instruction book? And then take a look at this. The first page, English page. QR code for the video. Installation and usage video. I really like that. That is very professionally done. This company knows that you need to figure out this thing and they've made it easy for you to do it. As much as I love my Addy machines and the Central, even when I got it, there were no instructions. I had to do what everybody else does and do the YouTube. So, very, very impressed. All right. And this book is quite extensive, as you can see. So I really think it's going to, give you everything that you need to get started. I'm probably not actually going to make anything with this yet. I think what I will do is I will do it once to get the hang of it, figure it out without being filmed, because sometimes that's a little intimidating. And then I will do a video on how to make the I-cord with this, and I will try to do that tomorrow. All right. So anyway, first impressions. I like this. It's a nice sturdy plastic case. Look at this metal darning needle. It comes with a crochet hook. There's a screwdriver. There's your needles for you. So I am impressed. That is, again, this is very professionally done. So you can see I already pulled the bag out once. So we're going to pull this out now. Okay, so it says save this holder for hook replacement use only. Not sure what that means, but we will keep it. All right, I'm gonna pull the machine out here. Ooh, it is pretty. Let's take a look at this. So my first thoughts and impressions is, this is a sturdy machine. Like, there is some weight to this. The plastic doesn't feel cheap. Like, everything feels strong and sturdy. So again, I'm impressed. So let's see what else is in the box. Okay. So I'm not sure what this piece is for yet, though I'm assuming the yarn goes through there. Your power cable. Could be a little bit longer, but still pretty cool with that. Grease. Okay, we will find out what that is for. Let's see if the other side has anything. Ooh, yarn, yarn, yarn. I love yarn. Ooh, 2 balls of yarn. Okay, so that's another thing I'm impressed with. It actually gave you yarn to start with. So overall, I am very impressed so far with what I am seeing here. And kudos to Caydo, man. You know, I don't know how many times I've bought something and have not been impressed with it from the start, but I am impressed with this. So this is a 3-weight acrylic yarn that they're suggesting you use with this. So I do have some of that, and I have some 4-weight and other things I'm going to try. So what I'm going to do is, like I said, this is just an unboxing video to give you my first thoughts on what I've seen. I am impressed so far. If you're looking for how to use this Caydo, please come to my Circular Machine Knitting community. Now, some of you are going to be watching this within the community itself, but I'm also going to be posting this on YouTube. So if you're not part of my Circular Machine Knitting community, I highly recommend that you join. The link will be, there's a card at the top here of the video. There's a link in the description and the first comment as well. And once you're in there, you are going to see within the next day or so how to use this machine, how to set it up. I will figure everything out and then do a video for you teaching you how to use this machine, a few basics. And then if you're watching this like the first couple of days of January, I will be creating patterns for this as well. Now that's not till after the 5-day sweater challenge, which is next week. And anybody in the community, free and paid, gets access to this 5-day sweater challenge. But after that, I will be starting to also post patterns for this as well. Well, have a great day, everyone. And ooh, I got a new toy to play with. See you on the next video.